Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile setting, and today's video title is guys how to remove fingerprint lock in iqoo mobile. Friends, you don't want to use iqoo mobile fingerprint lock setting, you want to remove fingerprint lock. So friends, now let's see how to remove fingerprint lock one by one and step by step friends we will talk about. So friends, open your device phone setting, and after turn on phone setting, how to remove fingerprint lock in iqoo mobile. Scroll down here. Open your phone password and security setting. After turn on my phone password and security setting, find my device security update you want to check, so you can check and you can use. Screen lock friends, you want to change in your iqoo mobile. So friends, you can change your lock screen password. You can select your new password, and friends, by mistake if you click a swipe option, so friends, you have fingerprint and you have face lock. So friends, your face lock and fingerprint lock will delete automatic. So friends, you want to remove only fingerprint lock, then friends click here only fingerprint lock setting. Enter your password. You have pattern lock, so draw pattern. You have password, draw pattern and enter password. After enter password and after draw pattern, fingerprint lock setting will open and you can use fingerprint lock setting. Friends, if you click here privacy password setting, you want to use fingerprint lock, you want to unlock iqoo mobile privacy password with fingerprint lock. Password option friends, select here and on your privacy password. After turn on privacy password, you can use fingerprint lock setting with privacy password setting also. So friends, you want to remove, so friends click here right icon, right side, remove option. Yes, remove. You don't want to use fingerprint lock setting, so friends click here remove option. Fingerprint lock will remove and you can unlock your iqoo mobile without fingerprint lock password. Again you want to use, you will have to add fingerprint, then you can use it. So friends, lock your screen, and friends, now you can check fingerprint lock password will remove. You cannot use fingerprint lock password in your Android phone and iqoo mobile, and you want to unlock your iqoo mobile, draw pattern, phone will unlock. So like that friends, you can use iqoo mobile fingerprint lock setting. You can remove fingerprint lock in iqoo mobile. After remove fingerprint lock friends, you want to use face lock setting. You want to add face data. So friends, open your device phone security setting, open your phone face lock setting, draw your pattern. After draw pattern, you can unlock your iqoo mobile with face lock. Show your face, add your face data, and you can use face lock setting in iqoo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.